Hello, my name is GNS Abhiram. I'm an undergraduate student currently pursuing BTech 4th year computer science stream at Bennett University. As part of a 7 semester project, we were instructed to work on a project which we would like to explore, and we have chosen our main startup idea, which is known as VSTAN. I, along with my teammate G. Kusmant Reddy, have worked on this project for almost more than 3 months. The idea is based on services marketplace provisions. The idea revolves around the motto to provide liberty to the worker to quote his own price for a work and to give freedom to the customer to choose his worker. Our website provides services based on carpenters, plumbers, electricians, maid or cook. So, let me show you a little insight through a brief presentation. Our project We Stand, and we together as a team, GNS Abhiram and G Kusmant Reddy, have worked on this project for almost 3 months. So, this is the basic outline of the whole PPT: introduction, problem statement, etc., with conclusion and ending with references. So let's start with the introduction. VStand is a mobile responsive web application which we have developed using HTML, CSS, PHP, MySQL and XAMPP. VStand acts as a platform for the blue-collar workers to provide decent exposure to work opportunities present around them. So this is the problem statement. You can have a quick look at the problem statement. This is the social importance or relevance of the problem. This is the proposed solution. As mentioned earlier, our motto is to give the liberty to the worker to quote his own price, while give the freedom to the customer to choose his own worker. Contribution. We've each contributed in a particular way as a front-end developer and as a back-end developer. As you can see, this is the first homepage of our website with the user portal and the service provider portal. You can choose either one. If you're a customer, you need to choose the user portal, or if you're a worker, you need to choose the service provider. So once you choose this user portal, you register yourself, and after you log in, this is the page you will see where you can give your issues or mention your problems in the particular segments mentioned. And this is the my profile page where you can edit your personal details. This is the service provider portal where you enter through the service provider page and you register, and after you log in, each worker will be displayed a dashboard of all the works he has got till now, and there'll be a button mentioned as quote where he can quote a price, and this price will be reflected to each to the customer who have given that problem, and that will be mentioned over here. So to give you a little more insight of the whole web page, my friend Kusmant will take care from here on. Thank you.
Hello, I am G. Kusmant. I am currently pursuing my 4th year BTech from Computer Science Department in Bennett University. VStan is a mobile responsive web application which we have developed for our capstone project. Now I am going to show you our web application so that you could see the user face, the working, and the service provider face of the project. So it will give you a basic idea of our project. This is our project homepage. Firstly, here we'll be giving it two portals. One is for the user, basically the customer of the vStan, and the other one is the service provider or the blue collar worker. Firstly, we'll go to user profile or the user face. In this, we'll be having a custom login where the user needs to type their username and password. If they are a existing user, if they are the new user, they could register over here using register here button, and then we could submit. Like we could go in. Now in this we have four different submissions like carpenter, plumber, electrician, maid and cook. There are four different profiles which we are giving. In this there are also there are subdivisions like in electrician there are electrician system and electrician repair and electrician assembly. And now if you go to my profile, if there is any, suppose if a user is migrated from ASL Nagar to some other part like uh, some other like Vasant Nagar, he could go here and then he could update over here. So now the address will be changed. And also, for example, if I am having a request of plumber installation, for example, I need to install a tap in my bathroom. I'll click the tap and then installation of tap in bathroom. Now I'll request. This request will be posted on the service provider profile where you could quote. And then once he quotes, the details will be posted over here. For example, Kusu, the phone number and the amount he quoted. This is the name of the employee and the phone number of the employee and the amount. So that he could get contact and uh, get his work done. And then once after it, we could log out. And also now coming to service provider phase. Here there will be a service provider login where username and password are same as a user face, but here the provider should give their work experience, like the work which they are doing. For example, he's a carpenter, plumber, electrician. Example. For example, let's take he's a plumber. Submit. Now he got a request saying I have 1 hour tap duty installation of tap in bathroom. He'll now quote. For example, he'll quote around 100 rupees and then he'll submit. It will be reflected back in the user face. This is our project. Thank you.